This is an audiobook version of my blog, Software is Eating PR. This is Lee Schneider. Once a lusty slogan, usually accompanied by burning torches and hoarse shouts, the rallying cry of software is eating PR has become more than a cry. It has become real. The rumblings started with platforms like Muckrack, which automated the way we discover journalists who might be interested in what we do, make, or promote. The rumblings got louder with JustReachOut.io and have become something you just can't ignore with PressRush and Inkybee.com. These platforms, good examples of SaaS, software as a service, make a search and discover mission that used to take half a day take about 2 minutes. You just pop in some keywords, then the platforms return a list of journalists who have written about those things. Also, their emails most of the time. PressRush does a great job of helping you interact with the journalist, smoothing the process of sending a pitch that will be read. And in Boomerang or YesMail, you can schedule when your messages go out, also increasing the chances that they'll be read. It's exciting, is creating new business models for me and for others, and is only missing one thing: relationships. About the only thing the old-timey PR folks have left are the existing relationships among them and journalists or bloggers. In a perfect PR world, there is an agreement between them. The PR person knows the journalist pretty well, and maybe even has shared a couple of drinks. The journalist knows that when that PR person calls, it's going to be with a good story. That's a great relationship to have. Unfortunately, for the networks of PR agents, that kind of relationship is slowly eroding. It's becoming less and less valuable because the PR agents aren't getting any younger, while the journalists are. Most importantly, journalists and bloggers particularly are seeking stories to write about just about where the rest of us are seeking information: on Google, on social media, in conversations, on blogs. The stories are posted faster, and there are a lot more of them. There are a lot more freelancers, more creative outsourcing, and the masthead, the roster of talent, is changing often. Stories are vetted and fact-checked by conversations still, thankfully, but also by online searches. As that continues, we will really see software eat PR. The data set will come close to trumping relationships because of speed, because of reach, because of agility. I don't mind. The first thing we do, let's kill all the lawyers, wrote Shakespeare in Henry VI, putting the words in the mouth of a ruffian. Scholars are divided on this one, but some say that the bard was trying to give lawyers a reverse compliment of sorts. Having a bad guy knock them showed how good they were. I'm thinking about starting my class about PR with this line anyway, but changing it to, the first thing we do, let's kill all the gatekeepers. I'm Lee Schneider, and this is the Red Cup Blog.